Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to auto-scroll on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to auto-scroll on TikTok, go and tap open your Play Store first. In the search box at the top, search for auto scroll and make your search. From the search results, tap on this automatic scroll app and tap on the install button in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android phone. After the application has been installed, tap on the open button in order to launch the app open. Now, this is the first interface of automatic scroll. Toggle on the Start Service button at the top, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the pop-up. Tap on Show the Settings. Allow the permission by enabling this button over here. This permission allows the app to show things on top of other apps that you're using. Now go back. After you're done and you end up in this page over here, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. Select an app that you'd like to auto-scroll on. In our case, we're trying to auto-scroll on TikTok, so let's select TikTok, give it a tap and tap on OK at the bottom. Now tap on Start Service at the top one more time. Tap on Show the Settings. From the accessibility page, tap on Install Service. Make sure that your automatic scroll function is turned on. Simply tap it on and toggle on the button right next to off. In the pop-up, tap on allow in order to allow automatic scroll to have full control on your phone. Now you can go back from the home page of automatic scroll, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner, go to settings. In the pop-up, scroll all the way down, and once you reach to the pages section where it says the delay between pages, choose up to your desired time period. Let me put it to 13 seconds. After you're done, go back to the main homepage of automatic scroll. Make sure that the Start Service button is enabled. Now you can simply go and open up your TikTok application. As you can see that there is a control panel appearing at the right side of the screen. Simply press this button over here in order to auto scroll your TikTok homepage. As you can see that I can now easily auto scroll, which will be much easier to view all of the TikTok videos from the homepage. You won't even have to swipe your fingers through the video. That is how you can easily use the auto scroll feature on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.